Grade 4, Module 6, Lesson 5 homework. Problem number 1. Find the equivalent fraction using multiplication or division. Shade the area models to show the equivalence, recorded as a decimal. Letter A. 4/10 times what equals something hundredths? So we have 4/10, so I'm going to go ahead and draw that in. 4/10, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/10. And I'm going to go ahead and make that look the same over here. And what this picture shows is it breaking into hundredths by adding this. So what they did is they broke this into tens, that's these bars going across, so they multiplied by 10 over 10 to make this diagram. And so if we counted all these bucks, we'd have 40 1/100ths. I'm going to go ahead and show letter B too, because this is a really important concept. And this one's using the division model. So it's 60 over 100. So I'm going to go ahead and color in 60 pieces. There's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 out of 100. And we want to break this down into tenths. So if I do the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what happened from here to here? We divided by tenths out of 10. So we divided by 10 out of 10, taking those bars away, dividing those out. And how many are we left with over here? We're left with 6/10. Let's look at number 2. Complete the number sentences. Shade the equivalent amount on the area model, drawing horizontal lines to make hundredths. So now we have to draw these horizontal lines. So letter A says 36 hundredths equals how many tenths? We just did this in a previous lesson, very similar to this when I did the number bond. It's 3/10 plus 6 hundredths. So let's go ahead and look at this. We have 36 hundredths, and that's 3/10. 3/10. And how many hundredths? Well, I'm going to have to break this into hundredths. So let me see if I can. I'm going to do the best I can to make 10 pieces. So to make 6 hundredths, I need this piece, this piece, this piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's what it would look like with an area model. So we have our 3/10 plus 6 hundredths in decimal form. That's going to be 36 hundredths. And again, if you learn from the beginning how to read it correctly, 36 hundredths looks like this. In a fraction form, it's 36 hundredths.